Hello everybody, I'm Zabzakar again at Really Love My Life Party for Women of Malaysia. So come inside, this is Silhouette, Bangsa Village 2, in collaboration with Pink Ribbon. Alright, so you can see the whole thing inside. It's a collaboration with Pink Ribbon Foundation. Yeah. So those who enjoy lingerie, look comfort for women, you can come here and look at the varieties that can offer.
Go.
Hi, my name is Sabrina. I'm the marketing executive for Sicily. We're actually having a party for actually it's a collaboration with Pride. Okay, they will be bringing survivors to share about breast cancer and their breast cancer survivors. Okay, and then we also have Dr. Azlina. Okay, she will be giving us a lot of breast cancer.
Breast cancer.
Yeah.
So like a little bit distraction there. Well, we can chat easily later.
Why don't you do it with my
Oh, you just come. So this is alright, okay, sorry. So, could you tell us a little bit about yourself and tell us what's going on today?
I'm Jo.
Louder, we can't hear you, sorry.
Okay. Hello, I'm Josephine here. I'm actually the senior manager of Sicily. Today basically it's coincide with the global Pink Ribbon. So Sicily in fact has been actually supporting to promote breast cancer awareness for the last 7 years. In fact, we kick off our own campaign, which we call it Love My Life. For us is that the philosophy is that we want women to love themselves before they can actually take their lives. So one of the objectives that we want to reach out under the Love My Life campaign is that we want people to understand and be educated and breast aware about breast cancer. Because I think in Malaysia, breast cancer happens to be the #1 killer among all cancers disease. And in fact, it's not something that you cannot be prevented so long you do your check on a monthly basis, and if you happen to detect it earlier, you can save your life and of course save your breast. So for us this time around, today the party is that we are kicking off the Labour Month. Yes, again we are inviting you guys, media, public to support, to spread the word to the public, and we are honoured to also have Dr. Azlina with us to also give a talk about the importance of health.
There will be few survivors.
Yes.
Because so they're going to share this experience.
Correct. Because why? I feel that women sometimes can be quite complex. So it's like seeing it is believing it, hearing it is believing it. So they need to hear the breast cancer survivors, the experience that they go through. We feel that is more impactful and effective.
Apart from that, let's talk a little bit about Silhouette.
Silhouette is actually a premium range that we developed under the umbrella Sicily is actually a Malaysian brand. We have been in the market.
Is there any new collection that you would like to share?
Oh yes, every month we have new collections, every month. And this month new collections, because it's a Pink Ribbon month, so we actually created a collection of Pink Ribbon
So that will be
to celebrate. Yeah.
Wow, that will be
You will get to see it later during the sneak preview. Anyway, I still want to thank the media support.
I'm from Women of Malaysia. So do you want to say anything for Women of Malaysia?
I think for today's women, you have to take charge of your life.
There you go.
Because we are today's women, we are no longer the former days. So please take charge, and take care of yourself by doing the right things.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Nadia and I'm the brand ambassador for Sicily. So today's afternoon is about loving yourself and looking after yourself, and what we hope to achieve is to educate women and remind them to make sure they go for their annual checkups, because breast cancer does not discriminate. And today we're actually going to interview one of the survivors, and she had it when she was 18 or 19. So
that is
really important. Yeah. So that's what we hope to do.
Have you met her personally?
I just met her. her. And she's amazing. She's this bubbly, energetic person, and she's battled it twice. Like she got rid of it and it came back. So it's always important, even if you've had it once and you've survived, it's important to make sure you're diligent with your checkups and always get checked. Yeah, that's the message we want to
Well,
send out.
that is about the campaign on breast cancer.
Yes.
Are you wearing one of Silhouette collection?
Yeah, I'm inside, yes. Not this, but inside, yes.
Because I heard they are doing their new pink collection.
Yes, yes, yes. I
Tell
can point
us
it
a
out.
little bit about Sicily.
Well, Sicily is a Malaysian brand. A lot of people don't necessarily know that.
Yeah.
Silhouette is a slightly more premium brand, so this is where we're hosting the event this afternoon. And of course, one of the most important messages that they want to send out to people is making sure you have the right fit. So after this, we have a talk as well.
So that's the difference between Sicily and other brands.
Yes, and they also have a very good consultation. So if you go to any of their outlets or their boutiques, they will teach you how to wear your bra properly. Because most women out there
So
don't
they
wear
can
the right
beat the
size.
recipe.
Sorry?
They can beat the recipe.
I would say so. I mean, I am personally a very big fan, regardless.
I understand, yeah,
and
because
I've
you're
worked
wearing
with so
it
many
right
friends.
now. Can
Yes.
you turn around a little bit? We can see. Anyway, for women of Malaysia, do
Okay.
you want to say anything?
Well, to all you women from Women of Malaysia readers and fans, make sure you guys take note of Pink Ribbon Month and make sure you get checked as well. Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.